Hello, this is the next episode. First one was about an introduction into the truck itself. Let's make this one about me. I'm Niels, I'm living in the Netherlands. You can see a map here. I will pinch and zoom a little bit to show you where the Netherlands, aka Nederland, is located. And well, a rough zoom into where I am approximately. So why an S10 or a GMC Sonoma? I don't know actually. I used to have one before. It was a S10 single cab with the 2.5 Iron Duke, 5-speed manual. Had that car or truck for many years. Had it in storage for many years. Didn't drove it much. It was a power nothing. It was the bone stock, even without the the ventilation fans. But it was a nice platform and it was a nice base. And I already did some things to that truck, and somewhere in the back of my mind I was like, okay, but this truck is also available with the 4.3. Never had the opportunity to buy one, and then the government changed some rules, and for a lot of car and truck owners, especially this type of truck, it was not interesting anymore. If you drive it daily, all of a sudden you had to pay a lot more money. So that was a nice opportunity for me, because the prices depreciated quite a lot. So this one came along, did a test drive, and well, not fell in love, but I really do like it. And yeah, why this type? I don't know. Probably just because I started with the S10. So a lot of stuff that I did to that truck I could move over to this truck. Like the steering, like the dash, like the digital dash, the exterior lights. Stuff for the overhead console, the wheels, part of the suspension, brakes, mirrors, glass. So yeah, it was actually in that perspective a no-brainer to go for the same body style, in this case then the extended cab, but with the 4.3 and the automatic. So yeah, that's actually why I'm now sitting in this truck. It's more like yeah, a passion for American vehicles and pickup trucks in particular. And the technology isn't that state of the art. It's by now almost a 30-year-old vehicle, and I can do everything myself with these two and with this one. Of course, with the aid of the internet, but I'm able to cope and manage rather well. So yeah, it's a little introduction into why am I actually doing the things I do in this particular vehicle. So I'm really looking forward to take you along on that journey, and yeah, see where we go to. It's not planned to be a daily, but you never know. It could be. But before it can be a daily, there's still some stuff that needs to be done. So yeah, it's a short video. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like if you want to, subscribe if you like to, and see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Toodaloo.